Genesis is giving a concert next week.
Cool.
Yeah, the tickets go on sale Thursday, man.
Ooh, that means we'd have to get online Wednesday night.
Hey, that's all right, no problem. We'll just take some sleeping bags, right, Joe?
Cool.
All right.
You're gonna go with us, right, Joey?
Yeah, sure.
We need to ask you if you can get your dad's car.
Hey, yeah, that'll be no problem. I'll just tell him that I'm taking some debutante to a governor's dance, you know. You want to get a group together and do like a parking lot party in the ticket line?
That's okay, fun.
I don't know, maybe.
But if we're gonna do this party thing, aren't we gonna need another car?
Or I could ask my brother Kevin.
Hey, great, man. Something good.
Someone want to help me unload the rest of this stuff?
I'll do it.
Billy, what's up with Joey? He's acting kind of, well, quiet.
How should I know?
I don't know. I mean, I just thought, because you guys were friends.
Look, Alana. I told him.
You mean about...
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe it wasn't such a good idea, you know?
Why? You guys are friends. What? You should be able to...
I should, but it's just that now that he knows I'm different, suppose he decides to cut out on me.
Billy, I really don't think he's running.
Well, he won't look me in the eye anymore. I mean, come on.
Hey, you told him you were gay, not that you were some subway terrorist.
What if he decides to tell his parents?
He wouldn't do that. I know he wouldn't do that.
But what if he does? Then his parents will tell mine. I just never should have told him.
Hey, calm down. It's all right. Joey's not like that. He's cool. Besides, he thinks you're God's gift to the universe. Pretty weird, huh?
Seriously weird. You think maybe I'm just being
paranoid? What do you think?
I don't know. I mean, I can't tell anymore.
Hey, look. Why don't you go talk to him?
Hey, Blondie, what you up to?
Hey, look, Marty, I've got some stuff to do.
Oh, jamming on some suicide calls? Being... Oh, I wonder what, like you were the other day? Huh? How many more people have you saved? 4? A dozen?
I didn't mean to cut in the other day. I just had a hunch I could handle the phone call, that's all it was.
And make me look like a useless idiot in the process.
Look, I'm sorry, the girl's life was at stake.
Sure, well, you made a hell of an impression with Andrew. He thinks you're some kind of hero. He's got you nominated for a Halo.
Look, Marty, I'm sorry.
No big deal. I learned a real important lesson. You don't want to come off looking like a fool? Don't stick your neck out. I may be forced to hang out with you mall rats, but, where's the rules to say I gotta come off looking like a dork? Not.
Marty, why do you always have to be ragging on someone? I mean, what about the rumor I heard that you were actually nice the other day?
I tried it. It's not for me. Why don't you tell me how you manage to be so perfect all the time? Do you want to share your secret with me?
I'm not perfect.
You know what your problem is? Gotta lighten up a little bit. Tell you what. You give me a few pointers on how to be perfect, and I'll show you how to loosen up a little.
Okay, let's burn a hole in the floor.
Oh, I love to burn, baby. Want to see the angels fly? I got some primo stuff in my pocket. Guaranteed. Get you to heaven and back on a high horse.
Cut it out, Marty.
Hey, Joey! Little boy Blue doesn't like me playing with his clothes.
Billy, got something private going on?
Just drop it, okay?
Well, look, you're blushing. How sweet.
Hey, Marty, why don't you go play in traffic or something?
Oh, who are you, his mommy?
No, but I'm telling you to take a hike.
Oh, yeah? Well, you just shut up, Billy boy, because I could go to Andrew and burn your butt.
Don't worry about her, mate. She's being a jerk.
Well, thanks for the how-to book, but guess what? I can handle myself.
Joey, come on, man. I was just trying to help you out.
Don't do me any favors.
Look, Marty's rude sometimes. I just thought
I know
that
what he thought. He said I couldn't handle it.
No, not exactly.
What is it with you? Do you have a superhero complex or something?
wait a minute,
Gotta fly in and save the day?
Joey, it was good that he did take that call. That girl was in trouble.
Well, I'm not in trouble. I don't need to be rescued.
I wasn't trying to rescue you.
I already have an older brother. I don't need another one.
Okay, fine.
Well, then butt out.
But Joe, you didn't.
I don't care, Billy.
come on, guys.
Fine.
Come on, Alana, let's go.
Joey, what's going on?
Everything.
Marty,
My favorite, plus official girlfriend. Just kidding. Really?
what's going on with Billy and Joey?
Who cares? I mean, little boys be little boys.
Lighten up, okay? Give me a minute just to work this out, right?
Okay, sure.